Good morning, students. In your pictographs in this chapter, today we are going to study here this problem set 52. First question. Stocks of various types of grains stored in a warehouse are as given below. Make a pictograph based on the information given. Here information is given, grain and sacks. By using this information, you draw here this graph of this picture type. Then firstly you see this first question. Here grain and sacks, these two columns is given. Then you make this column in picture type of this graph, grain here and here sacks. Then here rice, wheat, bajra and jawar. You see here numbers. Which numbers here? 40, 56, 8, 32. All these numbers in 8 tables. Then you write here scale. What scale here? One picture is equal to 8 sacks. How many sacks here? 8 sacks. Then here 40. 40 means 5 sacks. Then you draw here picture of these sacks. Suppose in this type of these sacks. How many? 5. Then second one, see wheat 56. 56 means 7. You draw here 7 sacks. 5, 6 and 7. Then bajra here 8. 8 means only 1 sack here. Then jawar here 32. 32 means 8 for the 32. Then you draw here this 4 picture of these sacks in this type of this pictograph. Then second one, see. Information about the various types of vehicles in Vadgaon is given below. Make a pictograph for this data. See here information about the various types of this bicycles is given here. Vehicles is given, bicycles, automatic two-wheelers, four-wheelers, heavy vehicles and tractors. Numbers 84, 60, 24, 12 or 24. All these numbers are in 12 tables. Then you write here one picture is equal to 12 numbers. 12 vehicles, otherwise vehicles, right? Second one, see here types of vehicles. And here number. First, bicycles. Second one, two-wheeler. Then four-wheeler. Then heavy vehicles. Then tractors. Then you write here scale. One picture is equal to 12 vehicles. Firstly write here scale. One picture is equal to 12 vehicles. Then bicycles, here number is 84. 84 means 12 sevens are 84. Then you draw here this any one figure of this bicycles. Suppose this figure of this, how many 24 means 12 or 7 जा, then 7 draw here. Same picture you draw here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 60, 60 means 12 or 5 is 60, then you draw here 5. Two-wheeler. Then four-wheelers, cars, jeeps, 24. 12 or 2 are 24 means only 2 pictures you draw here. Then next one, heavy vehicles, only 1 picture. And tractors, 24 again means 2 pictures here. See this pictograph. Then third one, the number of these various books kept in a cupboard in a school library are given below. Make a graph showing the information given. Here this information, these types of books is given and numbers also given, and by using this information you draw here picture of this graph. Third one, you make here 2 columns, type of book and here number. Then type of book right here, science, sports, then poetry, then literature, and history. See here numbers 28, 14, 21, 35 and 7 means all these numbers are in 7 tables. Then 28 means science, you draw here, you write here one picture is equal to 7 books. How many books? 7 books. Then here 28 means 7 4 are 28. Then you draw here picture of these books, 7 books you draw here. In this type of books you draw this picture of these books, 4. Then second one, see here sports 14 means only 2 picture you draw here. Then poetry 21 means 3 picture you draw here. Literature 35 means 5 picture you draw here. Books and history only 1. In this type of homework you complete this third one question and this practice set, problem set 52. Only 3 examples here, and in homework you complete this. Then here this pictograph, this chapter completed. Okay, this remaining part you complete here. Here you draw here this 4 picture of these books, then here 2 picture of these books here, then here 3, here 5 and here only 1, because 1 picture is equal to here 7 books. Okay, bye.